So what you just saw was the new demonstration of our new tracks. So here are the BART. Here we go, we're moving. We have electrified tracks. These tracks do not shock you, but they can propel trains up to 80 miles per hour. Well, no, not that fast. Still, these tracks are controlled. You are not able to stop the trains once they are moving, and these trains do go long distance. We're not stopping here. This is King's Cross. So once you're on the track and you push the accelerator, there is no stopping the train. This is Jacob's Well. I can't tell if we're still moving. This is the undersea connection tunnel between the two cities. There was no safe way of getting the tunnel above ground, so we had to put it floating in the sea. Those red dots you see, those are the redstone tiles that keep the train functioning. It's just an exercise to see just how fast we could get to the end of the line, which is at Bio Station. This is Cosmo Station. So far, we have done 3 stations. The trains do move slower in the station, and this was done on purpose to prevent villagers and sometimes villager children from being ran over by the trains in the stations. Although it's against the law to walk on the tracks, doesn't mean people listen, so therefore we prepare. Now you see what that villager did was completely illegal simply because now he damaged a track. Anytime the train collides on the track, there will be damage. Once you push the accelerator, the train does not move in any other direction unless it is crashed into. Sometimes it happens on purpose. This is also our busiest section of track, so it's also expected that the train would. That was Jacob. That was Evans Mill Station. Evans Mill. The next stop is Bios. That is the end of our line. You see the counter on the screen, we're moving very at rapid high speeds. The whole time my hand has not been on the accelerator. So we've reached Bio Station in how long? 4 minutes and 32 seconds. It took 4 minutes and 32 seconds to reach Biostation from College Park, and the total distance is approximately 20 miles. So this train does travel at a high rate of speed. I would like for you to see me kill a zombie prior to my leaving you for today. Let's see if we should find something else to hit over and over again. That's the train down there. Or if you're Auntie Don, you'll call it the doodle train. But still, have a good day. May God bless you. Here's the second floor of our station. Which, oops, it didn't take you to the second floor. It brought you back. Yeah. So just some doors lead out onto a balcony. Not a very safe balcony, but it's a balcony. And then these are the iron bars that protect people from falling into the station. Nope, not so much. Well, Evans Mill have a serious zombie problem, so you gotta forgive me. Okay, have a great day.